Welcome to my next listing. 1803 Curry Avenue, number 64, in the middle of Nokomis, priced at $349,999. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,072 square feet. Lots of new upgrades on the house. We believe this is priced to sell. Come on down and take a look if you have any interest. It is a 55 plus community, so it's one of those little more quiet neighborhoods, but you'll find that when you live here that people are very nice and it's a real quaint, nice, cute little community. Here is the main entrance street, known as Curry Street, and you make a left and you come down to Curry Cove. I'm going to swing around a little bit. Sorry for the windy noise, it's slightly windy today. And that's some neighbors parking. This is a 55 plus, have about 82 homes in the entire community. And as I said, it was built in 1986. There is a creek nearby called Curry Creek, which is hidden away way back there. I don't know if you can see where that boat is, but it's just beyond those trees over there. Here's the property. It's just a villa, but they are considered condominiums. Here we will walk up into it, the entrance, which has a very nice screen door. This is the entrance to the garage, which laundry, you might ask. Right in front, this is a custom-made design here. Here's the entrance. Walk in, go through the main living area. Nice lanai with a pretty nice view of the trees in the backyard. Vaulted ceilings. This property does not come furnished. However, the owner will be willing to negotiate the furniture if you decide you really want it. We will take a little swing around to the kitchen. What the heck? There you go. Disposal, refrigerator, mic, stove. All included. Stained glass window front door. Another little pantry closet. Another one. That's the AC actually. Air conditioning. And there's one over here. That's it. That's the one I was thinking of. There you go. These little villas in Venice are pretty popular. Get into a villa at under the average price, which last week was $719,000 in Venice. That's the average price house last week. So at $349,000, and albeit it's a little older, you can see that it's a way to get into Venice in a retirement type community at a much less price point. And master bedroom, little view of the backyard, and then we'll swing over to here, and that is the story for this property. 2 closets, by the way. I'm gonna show those. 2 they're not really walk-in closets, but they're. Let's just take a quick look at one just to show. There you go. But they're built-ins, they call those. So here we are. That's the property. I'll go to the garage. What the heck? I'll do that. But yeah, so you can come down to Venice, Florida here and get into a 2-car garage. Obviously, they stuff with their things, which will be removed. Little alcove in the back, and that's it. Just wrapping things up here at 1803 Curry Avenue, my open house, building number 64. We're here from 12 to 3 today, tomorrow from 1 to 3. Today is actually November 25th, and just after Thanksgiving. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. In the meantime, come on down or give me a call if you have an interest. 2 beds, 2 baths, 1072 square feet. Price of $349,999. Jeffrey Kutcher, 914-649-8682. And perhaps we will talk.